following is a tutorial on the Big Sandy River Stream Restoration GIS tools. You'll see how to set up your workspace to ensure the tools function properly. You'll see how to run the two main tools in the toolbox, and you'll see how to reset your workspace so you can rerun the tools. The documentation file is included in the package, and it covers what you will see here in the tutorial. Let's get started. Feel free to open the documentation to follow along. First, let's set up your workspace. Copy and paste the Big Sandy folder somewhere on your network. It's probably best to place it somewhere on your local drive and keep the file path short to help performance of the GIS tools. Your folder already contains a base stream layer that's ready for scoring in the Stream Scoring tool. You'll see how to build one later using Tool 01, but first, let's look at how to use the main tool, the Stream Scoring tool. You run this tool from the Stream Scoring MXD that's in the root of the Big Sandy folder. So open up that MXD in ArcMap. Now in ArcMap, add the Stream Scoring toolbox. Right-click on Arc Toolbox and say Add Toolbox. Navigate to your model folder, select the toolbox, and open it. Now expand the toolbox, right-click on the tool, and hit Edit. This opens up the tool. In the Model menu drop-down, select Run Entire Model. The tool will take a while to complete. It'll load in several new layers to the table of contents that you can use to explore the results. Depending on processing speeds and the size of the study area, it can take 30 to 45 minutes to process. Okay, now that it's completed, let's look at the new layers. First, close the results window and close out the model without saving it. 8 new layers have been added to the table of contents, already symbolized. Each layer represents a group of scoring criteria elements. Mitigation planning strategy, mineral threats, permanent protection and economy, credit return sustainability and risk, the total inclusion score, the total exclusion score, and the sum of the inclusion scores within each parcel. So that's it. But let's say we wanted to rerun it, or maybe we received more parcel data or conductivity field results and we've added that data to the database. The next part shows you how to clear out or archive the results and rerun it again. Let's talk about the MXD at the root of the Big Sandy folder. You'll want to keep a backup copy around in case it's ever altered or gets corrupted. After the model runs, close the MXD without saving it. You can always take your results layers into a separate data frame and resource them to the data you've archived. Now in our catalog, navigate to the Model Output folder and delete or archive all the layers in that folder. And do the same for all the layers in the Intermediate Data folder. In this case, you can see that I'm making a copy of them before I delete them, so I can put them in an archive folder and still have access to them later. Now I need to put a fresh unscored copy of the base streams layer back in the model output folder since I just removed the original out of there. Close ArcCatalog to ensure you don't have any persistent data locks present. And now reopen the Stream Scoring MXD to rerun the model. Here's a helpful hint. This time when you open the Stream Scoring MXD, save out the MXD after you've added in your Stream Scoring toolbox. If you do this, your toolbox will be in there when you open it up in the future, and it won't impact the ability of the MXD to rerun the tool. At this point, you've done everything you need to do to rerun the model. And once you have these last couple of steps down, you'll be able to run it as often as you wish without any trouble. So the last thing we need to do is walk through the process of creating the base streams layer that the scoring model uses. Open ArcCatalog and navigate to the Model Output folder. Remove any data that is currently in the root of that folder. This is the default output location for Tool 01, which is what we'll use to create the new base streams layer. Now, in ArcCatalog once again, navigate to the Stream Scoring Tools toolbox in the Model folder. Open the toolbox and double-click the Tool 01 Build Stream Layer Undissolved tool. This tool is only intended to be used in ArcCatalog. For the Input Streams layer in the Tools dialog box, navigate to your NHD Flowline Features layer in the Kentucky database and select it. For the output location, navigate to the Model Output folder and select it. Now click OK to run the tool. The tool produces a new base streams layer file to be used in the stream scoring tool. Well, that concludes the tutorial on how to set up and use the Big Sandy River Stream Restoration GIS tools. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions about this tool or any other tools like the one you've seen here today. Thank you very much.